Hello students, today we will discuss a very important topic of force. See, this year as the ICSE paper have totally got changed, so we should be studying force in a totally different way. The chapter force starts with the very big discussion of linear motion and circular motion. Whenever we give force, it can do two things. Either it can move a body in straight line, that's called linear motion. If it moves in a circular way, that's called circular motion. Moment is calculated by force into distance, where it is called a vector quantity. It always produces a rotational effect. The unit of moment is Newton meter. We can also say it's dyne centimeter in CGS unit. If the force is given in left hand side, it can move the body in clockwise direction. If it moves in this way, it can move it in anti-clockwise direction. We can change the direction of force. If it is here, it will move it clockwise. It can also make it anti-clockwise rotation if it is given the force here. And when we'll go to some examples of force where force is helping in moving some objects like door. If we see this door, this is the axis of the door and this is the handle of the door. If we keep the handle of the door from a more distance, the distance being more, it will give more moment. More is the distance from the axis, it will be creating more moment. If you have more moment, it will create more easy movement of the door. Not only that, if you have seen some F1 cars have got some wheels, not only that, the lorry and the trucks have got huge mass, so they need to have big steering wheels, because if you use a big steering wheel, then the distance of the application of force will become more and the moment will become more. This is a special type of bicycle where the front wheel is bigger than the back wheel. The front wheel is much bigger than the rear wheel, which you can see. The distance being more, it will create more moment and it can help in easy movement of the bicycle. And thus we apply the force on the rear wheel over here and it can help it in easy movement of the bicycle. For future topics, you can consult me later. Thank you, students.